Hi guys, I'm Ananya and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you some makeup brushes. So if you're a beginner and if you have just started experimenting with makeup, I think these sets are a must for you to have. All of them are sets, by the way, no individual brushes. So yeah, like all of them are super affordable, so like anybody can have them. So the sets which I have like various kinds of brushes, starting from face to your eye makeup brushes. So I hope this video turns out to be helpful for you and you make a wise decision on which set do you wanna buy. All the brushes which I have are from Amazon, and way I don't remember the prices of the brushes clearly anymore because all of them are like ordered like long back, and I don't know why I can't find the order history. So yeah, like I'll attach a screenshot of the product which I see now on Amazon, because same product have like a various kind of alternatives in Amazon and all of them are like different price range. So I'll attach whichever I find. These are good for beginners because these are super affordable as well. So if you are professional, you know that a professional brush, like only a single piece of brush costs like above 1,000. So it's like it's not really convenient for everyone to have brush above rupees 1,000 per brush. So yeah, like if you want to have a stack full of like brushes, I think sets are the one which you should go for, and not like the quality is not bad. Some brushes like come really good and the quality is also really good. So if you want to like experiment with your makeup, if you want to give a try to the sets, you can definitely try it out. Without wasting any more time, I should take you guys to the video. So the first one which I'm gonna show you is this Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. This is fake, guys, it's not real. So this is again under rupees 500 and I got them like 3 to 4 years back, maybe 4 years back, when just I started doing makeup and I thought it's good to have brushes. I bought them when I absolutely had no idea about Naked 3 palette, whether these are dupes or like I absolutely had no idea. The quality is not at all bad since I've been using them for like 4 years. The bristles are still intact, they don't shed or come off, but the downside is they don't have like a variety of brushes. This is a powder brush, and like this you can't blend your foundation because this is not at all dense. This is very like flowy and thing. So they do have two kinds of brushes for like the same thing. I use it for my blush because you can't really apply powder because this is really small and tiny. So it's good for highlighting, and sometimes I use this as a blush. So I bought them like 4 years back and I did use them when I used to do makeup back then, which I was just like maybe BB cream or foundation a little bit, that's it. I did not used to do my eye makeup or anything. So that time I used to use it, but now I have other sets which work better than this, so I don't really use them. This is like a highlighter brush. You can use your highlighter, also you can use your concealer. This can be used for that, and the rest all are like eye makeup brushes. This tiny one can be used for like blending your kajal or eyeshadow, and this one is again for like inner corner blending. This is a very dense brush which you can use at like the outer corners to pack the product in. So this brush you can use for cutting your crease. This is also for cutting your crease, but this is an angular brush, so they don't really work and they don't really serve any purpose for eye makeup. All of them look like same and they work the same. So yeah, like I am not really a fan of this one. Back then I used to use this because I didn't have a lot to do with makeup, but now I don't really use them except for the powder, like the blush brush, the powder brush, and the dense brush for eye makeup. I use those. Like if you just have simple needs and like only foundation, blush, and just one eyeshadow, I think you can buy them. Otherwise, if you are like good with eye makeup, I don't think you should buy this. Next is this huge set of brush, and yeah, this is like again I think under rupees 500 or maybe 500. So this have 34 pieces of brush, like a 34 set of brush, and this have brushes for everything, like literally everything. I would tell you a downside which I would tell later. Packaging is also luxurious. It has a tie-up thing which you can tie the brushes, and this will like keep your brushes all together and you won't like lose anything. So if you have like a makeup studio and if you have clients, I think this is like a really good thing to have because they have like everything. So this is for your brows. This is comb on one side and the brush on another side. This is the eyeshadow brush, and this is a cushion kind of brush. So this is good for like blending your eyeshadow or even packing your eyeshadow. If you have like glittery shades, you can use them. This is a fan. This is a small fan brush. This is for your highlighting. They have like 34. It's not possible for me to show all the 34 ones. This is another one which is smaller than the cushion one, but they both have the same thing. Like this is again for your concealer, you can use this brush. So these are some of the like the fluffy brushes which they have. This is like a huge fan highlighter brush. This is again for blush or even for highlighting. This is also like a blush brush. I told you. You can see this is an angular brush. This is for contouring your face, for your nose and everything. And they have like large number of brushes for the same purpose. I think they have given this because if one gets dirty, you can use the another one. So you can cut your crease with this one. Also they have a spoolie which can be used like for your mascara, or even if you have to like fill in your brows, you can use this one. If you want to have a set which has like everything for your face, you can definitely give a try to this 34 set one, because it will help you like for your face, for your eyes, for your brows. So yeah, you can definitely give a try to this one. And if you buy this, I don't think you will have like definitely have a need to buy another one, because it will like last long, and they are really like good quality brushes. The bristles don't come off and they are like jet black, but the downside is they don't have like a round brush for your eyeshadow. You need like a round brush for your eyeshadow, for transition, for blending and everything. They don't have that. So I thought let me buy another set which is like focused on only your eye makeup. So I got this one. These are like focused only for your eye makeup, and this comes in a packaging like this, which I find is really cheap. Like the packaging is not really good, the products are really good, like the quality of products are not at all bad. So this come in like a set of 10, and 4 are for your face and the rest 6 are for your eye makeup. So this is like a huge like a fluffy brush. This is for your blush. I mainly use it to apply my blush and for powdering my face. So this is a really dense brush, and this is for foundation. You can apply a foundation using this brush. Then this is like a less dense fluffy brush. This is the large one, this is the small one. Like I use this for applying my blush or even highlighting. So this is kind of like an angular brush. I hope you can see it. So this is mainly for, I guess, for applying a concealer. This not really work for contouring your face. I don't really use this one. I've never tried on, because I only use like beauty blender for my face makeup. So the rest 6 are for your eye makeup. If you want to apply your eyeshadow on your waterline, you can use this. I hope you can see. It's like really dirty now. This one, this is like a angled brush, and you can use this to apply wing liner. The next one is like a dense brush, and this is like dense, and you can use them for like packing a eyeshadow over here, like the outer corners. The next is this fluffy brush, like a blending brush. You can use a transition or to fill in a shadow all over your eyes. You can use this one. The next is again a angled brush, but this is smaller than that one. So you can use this for like for even cutting a crease or for the same wing liner. The next is also a blending brush, and yeah, like you get two blending brush, and the color is also like really cute. They have like purple outside like the bristles, and then they have like blue and pink and then purple, which is really cute. You get other color options as well to choose from. And out of these 3 like sets, I prefer this set the most, because this has like brushes for your eye makeup, and I mainly need this. Like out of these 3 sets, I think if you are like know how to do your makeup, I think you should go only for this one and the 34 one. Rest, if you just are into makeup, like you are just starting, I won't like tell you to buy the first one, the naked one, because you'll need to replace that like sooner. But if you just want to have a brush, you can definitely use that. So this is it for today's video. I hope you liked this video and enjoyed, and also you got help from this video. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and stay happy. Bye.